So we've just delivered all 6 suitcases and extra things, which they're really grateful for. So hooray, now on to the next shop. Right, so we've just gone to, I think it's the second or third pharmacy we've been to. We have gone to get glucometers, blood pressure monitors, inhalator nebulizers, and oximeters, pulsometers, and loads of things like electrolytes and anti-diarrhea tablets, because there's an outbreak of rotavirus, I think that's a bit like novavirus, in the centre. So we've dedicated the last couple of hours to just clearing out all of the pharmacies and taking all of their stock. So